Now let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An auditor determines that the client internal control over revenue recognition are well designed and have been effectively implemented. Okay, great. It means should be, what should happen to the control risk here? The control risk is low. Great. Which audit procedure is the most appropriate? Notice here it's the most appropriate. Now, on farhatlectures.com, what you can do, before you answer that question, you could tell the AI, explain the topic. Therefore, it explained to you the internal control, when it's working well designed and effectively, what does that mean? You can start with that if you're not sure, or if you want a quick refresher. Then let's take a look at the answers. Which audit approach is the most appropriate? Is it substantive approach only? Okay, let's see. We have substantive approach only, A, and C. We have substantive approach only. Look, if the question reads, the client's internal control are well designed, you don't trust them. If they are well designed, you still have to do what? Test internal control. So immediately what I can do is immediately take out substantive approach only, because I still have to do internal control. If anything, I have to test the internal control. If I came to the conclusion they're well designed, I cannot skip internal control. Once they're well designed, I have to test to make sure they are well designed. Okay, so I can take out A and C because it says substantive approach only. And this is how you have to think of it of the exam. B, combined approach, including both testing, control testing. Yes, you have to do that. Yes, that's yes. And of course, substantive testing. You just don't say the controls are good, I skip the field work. That will be great. You save a lot of money, but you're not doing your job. That's why they needed you as an auditor to do the work. Well, a lot of companies, they have good internal control. It doesn't mean you could skip. I would say between A, B, and C, B is the best answer, but we still have to look at D. Analytical procedures only? No. Analytical procedures is a form of substantive testing, but it's not good for all accounts, especially for revenue recognition, because fraud should always be presumed to be there. So relying on analytical procedures only is risky. Here they're trying to entice you. I'm trying to entice you to say because strong control eliminate the need for test of details. No, 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 no. Now, and for some accounts, we may rely more on analytical procedures, less on test of details. Nevertheless, we still do minimal test of details if we are using analytical procedures. Now, if you don't know what analytical procedures are, we're going to have two sessions about analytical procedures. Then we're going to have analytical procedures in every accounting cycle, basically using numbers, figures, to kind of get a reasonableness about whether the account is fairly stated or not. If you don't know what it is, don't worry about it now, but this is what you have to do. Now, also on farhatlectures.com, you can, after you look at, you answer the question and you don't like the answer choices, you could ask AI to explain correct and incorrect answer. And you know what? I missed this question. I want to have another similar question. You would click on create a similar question and the AI will generate one for you for additional practice. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, studying for a professional certification, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Farhat Lectures always there to help. We have podcast lessons, lectures, test bank, AI assistance. We also have support by Farhat team. Invest in yourself. farhatlectures.com. Good luck and peace.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.